Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You open the channel EQ and start by removing distractions. Get the track soloed and set the fader to unity. Once done, scan the spectrum visually to find low-end rumble, mid-range boxiness, and high-frequency harshness. Make your first moves with broad cuts or boosts, wide Q for tonal shaping, narrow Q to notch problematic resonances. You do this now, so subsequent steps operate on a cleaner signal, and you avoid chasing masking issues later in the chain. You methodically sweep narrow bands to pinpoint offending frequencies, and then cut or boost by conservative amounts so you preserve natural tone. Once you find a honk or boxy spot, drop it 2 to 6 dB and listen in context. Make sure to toggle bypass frequently. For low end, switch to a gentle shelf. For clarity, boost presence with moderate Q. Additionally, consider Logic's dynamic EQ for bands that only need action during peaks, keeping the sound lively and controlled. You finish by comparing the EQ track against the bypassed version and a reference tune, making sure loudness is matched so your ears aren't fooled. Once satisfied, automate band gains for different song sections and commit or print the EQ. Make small final adjustments to Q and gain, then listen on several systems. If things go wrong, if the track becomes thin or smeared, make sure to check phase relationships and polarity, and try parallel processing to recover body without reintroducing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.